What is up, DIY Nation, and welcome back to Youfloor, the channel bringing you tips and tricks to help you with your next flooring project. However, today I'm bringing you some of the tools to help you with your flooring project. That's right. I am so excited about this because let me tell you, last year I wanted to do a giveaway. However, my subscriber count wasn't exactly high enough for people to even give a crap about whether or not I was giving tools away. I tried to give away some CA glue and I was like, answering the comments, and people were like, who's this guy? So nobody answered in the comments, and so I just hang on to the CA glue. However, we are coming up on 15,000 subscribers, so I'm hoping that somebody's watching this and somebody can use these tools for Christmas, because I paid for these myself. That's right. Over the past 2 years, you guys have helped me with tips in the comments, some stuff that I've actually learned from some of you, and you guys have also helped me as a YouTuber by letting me know what you don't want to hear and what you do want to hear about. And so I decided, hey, it's my turn to give back. And you guys who have been watching my videos have seen some of the stuff that I've used on there, and some of the comments have said, hey Z, leave a link for that, or hey, where can I get that? And so I wanted to help some lucky person out there who's giving me that comment out there like, hey Z, we don't all have fancy tools out there. Well, now's your opportunity to grab some of those, because I went out and bought some myself. So let's go ahead and go over some of the things I bought. It's not a lot of things, but hey, it's gonna get you started, or at least help you get started on your collection. And I guess I'll just start over on the right here and we'll work our way that way. This right here is an on-the-job dumpster bag. It's a reusable garbage bag, has handles on it, and I'll leave a link for all this stuff too in case you want to go get some of it yourself. But these have been a lifesaver when it comes to those garbage bags that you get at Home Depot and Lowe's. They're expensive, and they're getting even more expensive. So if you can just fill that thing up, take it to the dump and dump it out and reuse it, hey, that's a winner. Also, I've added a caulk gun, because just about on every job we do caulking our baseboard or our quarter round, you gotta have a caulk gun, and also it's good for the adhesives too. The Loctite PL3X also comes in an 8-ounce tube, so you can definitely use this for that, and this is a pretty heavy duty gun. All right, now this is not really a tool, but I bought a pack of these and I said, hey, I'm just gonna throw it in there. It's one of them sticky things, you can throw it on your dashboard, stick your phone to it so your hand's free whenever you need to. I threw that in there. Now this right here, this is my CA glue. I got some ordered, and let me tell you why I don't have it in the pack. I did order some a while back. Like I said, I've been buying this stuff for almost a year and a half, trying to collect and give away for Christmas. But this stuff right here, I bought some and it was sitting in my trailer. I was like, I don't know if it needs to be sitting for like 6 to 8 months. So I went ahead and used that up and said, when we get closer to the date, I'll go ahead and order some more. I like the Bob Smith Industries CA glue, but I've tried quite a few of them on Amazon, and I have to tell you, I like this stuff right here. It did pretty good on what I needed it for. Some of the pine, some of the oak, and other materials. MDF, it worked amazing on, so. And it's not that expensive, so I added that one in there too. Just for amazement, I added these safety glasses right here. You may get some in this box. I haven't opened it, I don't know, so we'll check and see on that. A pack of screwdrivers, just a small, for getting in small areas and working on small stuff. I added a couple stain pens for you need to stain on your spots with the floors or whatever on fillers. Here's some pads for putting on the furniture if you need to move furniture around. Right here we have this oscillating tool. This is one of my most favorite tools, and this thing came in handy on more jobs than I can count. And trust me, this thing will be a lifesaver. And I believe it comes with a charger and 2 batteries, and then a couple of little blades right there. You guys know how I feel about them FatMax tape measures. Now Dewalt does have a tape measure, but you guys know how I like that FatMax because it's got a really wide blade. It's got that thick coating on it, and it reaches out so far. Not that I need to reach out real far in flooring, but when I used to frame houses, it really came in handy. And then of course, last but not least, right here we have a combo brad nailer 18 gauge and a Dewalt compressor. Now I use the Porter cable only because they're just cheap. Whenever the compressor goes out, I tend to go buy one of those. This one was on sale somewhere around like $199, but it came with a hose, a gun, and the same size compressor that I use, so I figured you can't go wrong with that. It says DeWalt on it, plus I love DeWalt tools. So anyway, it would be my pleasure to give something like that away. This is the collection I'll be giving away from Christmas. My wife told me to let you guys know that she'll probably be adding a few things from now until the time we give it away. I guess those things are just gonna have to be a surprise, but hey, everybody loves surprises, right? So it should be a Merry Christmas for someone out there. All right guys, I think that's gonna do it for this one. So if you guys are interested in the giveaway, just go to the link in the comments Kelly said she'll pin that to the top. And then once you get there, you have to sign up for Linktree. Linktree is just a thing that we signed up to get all of our links put on one, but that is going to be a safe place for you guys to put your email and your phone number. That way everybody in the world doesn't see it in the comments. I wasn't sure how I was going to be able to get in touch with the winners. I was like, do we need to start like a Facebook group or something like that? Or anyway, if you guys will do that, leave your email and phone number over at that Linktree. It'll be just me and Kelly can see that. We're not going to use it to solicit. We don't do that type of thing. We just do YouTube videos, and I'm particularly trying to give away some free stuff. There's no gimmick to this. You don't have to sign up. You don't have to pay any money. I'm just giving away free stuff. I'm just giving away free tools, and you could win. All right, guys, there'll be details in the description on how to actually sign up, just in case I haven't said it clearly in my videos. Sometimes I talk and people don't know what I'm talking about. My wife's like, what were you talking about? Anyway, she's real good about putting the details in the description so you guys can understand what's going on there. So just go check it out there. And that's it, guys. Until next time, I hope you have a Merry Christmas and take care and stay safe. Peace.